Another fine vehicle offered by Pearson Automotive Dixie Highway.
This is a 2005 Chevrolet Trailblazer, a big SUV for big fun. It features a 4.2-liter 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a premium audio system, a trailer hitch receiver, a passenger side vanity mirror, a full-size spare tire, an anti-lock braking system, heater vents for rear seat passengers, and an anti-theft protection system. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Pearson Automotive is located at 3456 South Dixie Highway in Franklin. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.